In today's video, I'm going to teach you Speechify. How to adjust voice and speed. Let's get started right from your browser. Open Google and type Speechify into the search bar. In the results, click the official Speechify website to head straight to the app. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, open a file you've worked on before so we can make changes in a real document. If you're brought to the library view, just select any previous file to continue. Give the page a moment to fully load. You'll know it's ready when everything on the page looks stable and the controls are responsive. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the playback bar. This is where you control how your document sounds as it's read aloud, including the voice and the speed. To change the voice, look for the voice selector in the playback controls. It may appear as a globe or map-style icon, or it might simply say voice depending on your layout. Click it to open the voice gallery. Here, you can browse and choose a voice that matches your preference, whether you want something more natural, more expressive, or a different accent. Take a moment to preview a couple of options. Picking a voice that's comfortable for long listening can make a big difference, especially for study sessions or long articles. Next, let's adjust the speed. Find the speed control on the play bar, often displayed as 1x, 1.5x, or 2x. Click it to open the speed options. You'll see a slider or a list of preset speeds. Slower settings like 0.5x to 1x are great for clarity, especially with technical or unfamiliar content. The 1x to 1.5x range feels natural for most listeners and keeps things moving without feeling rushed. If you're comfortable with fast listening, 2x and above can be excellent for skimming, reviewing, or revisiting material you already understand. A helpful approach is to start at 1.2x or 1.5x, then gradually increase as you get used to the pace. If you ever miss something, remember you can pause and rewind. Once you've picked a voice and speed you like, you're all set. Speechify automatically saves these choices and will apply them to future documents. So you won't need to repeat these steps each time. And of course, you can return to the controls anytime to fine-tune your settings as your needs change. That's it. Quick, simple, and customized to how you like to listen.